How to create a group on Signal for Android. The Signal is one of the best Android messaging apps around. It uses the same end-to-end encryption protocol and it safeguards your privacy. Signal Group is built on the top of the new private group system technology. The Signal service has no records of your group membership, group titles, group avatar, or group attributes. New group feature includes invite via group link or QR code, mention, admin controls to remove a member from the group, admin control who can edit the group info, and the disappearing message timer. Optional admin approval for member joining by a group link. To start or create a group on Signal for Android, do the following steps. In Signal, tap Compose button. Tap New Group. Select the contact you want to add to the group. Please note, if you want first to create a group and do all settings, you can skip this step and add the members later. Tap on the arrow from the bottom or the skip button. Write the name of the group. You can also change the photo of the group if you want directly here. Tap Create. Tap OK. The group has been created. If you want to be safer, you can enable the option Approve New Members. Also, you can enable Share Link for the group if you want to send invites to the group with a link. In the group, you can do the same action as you also do in one conversation. You can send messages, images, video, and even record audio messages. Let's send a text message. If you tap on Invite Friends, you can easily send an invite to somebody. Just tap on that button. Select the app you want to send the invite. I will choose WhatsApp. Select the group or the conversation. Now just send the message. You have sent an invite to somebody to join the group. Let's get back to the Signal app. On the group, you can do calls and also set up some interesting options. Tap on the three dots menu. The first action, disappearing messages, will make so a message sent and seen will disappear from the group. This is a very nice feature. You can set up how much time you want on this option. If you tap again on the three dots menu, you will see another important option, Group Settings. Here you will have all the main group settings. You can change the name and the picture of the group here with the Edit button from the top. Let's add a new image for the group. Click on the profile icon. Take a picture or choose from gallery. I will choose a picture from the gallery. Select the picture. Tap on the Done icon. Tap again on the Done icon. Tap on the Save button. You can mute notification or do custom notification for your group. On mentions, you can set up if you will receive a notification when somebody mentions you in the conversation. On the Add Members option, you can set up who can add new people to the group. If the group is open, you can leave all members, but if it is a closed group, it is better to put only admins. On Edit Group Info, I suggest to set up so only admins can edit the group's info. On Members Requests and Invites, you will see all pending members and also invites that have not been accepted yet. Here, you can enable or disable the group link. On the bottom, you will see a part of the member list and also an option to block the group or leave the group. If you tap on one of the members, you will be able to make it a group admin or remove it from the group. This is how you actually create a group and manage it on Android. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.